In order to hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S25, we can use a secure folder, which I have already set up, but it looks like this once we open it. As you can see, we have a password for the secure folder, but we also have, for example, Gallery, where we can find all hidden photos and videos. In order to set up the secure folder, you might need to go to Settings, then go to Security and Privacy, then more security settings, and then over here we have secure folder, which is quite easy to set up. Now, the secure folder can be also found in the app screen as well. Now, let's go to the gallery. We can select a photo that we wish to hide, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we can choose Move to Secure Folder. Enter the password, and then the photo should be moved to that secure folder. There we go. We can also press and hold our finger on a single photo, and we can select multiple items at once, videos as well, of course. And then we can press more in the bottom right corner, and we should also be able to find Move to Secure Folder. And there we go. We are moving items, and we should see the information that we have moved to secure folder. So now if we go to the secure folder, and if we open the gallery in the secure folder, we should be able to find all hidden photos and videos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!